Good morning friends. Today I will discuss about the deflection. Let us memorize this table. The first two cases are for the simply supported beam and the next two cases are for the cantilever beam. Let us see the first one. A simply supported beam with a point load at its center. The point load is capital W. The length of the beam is L. So it is positioned as center means L by 2 and L by 2. What is the value of maximum slope? The value of maximum slope is WL square by 16 EI, where E is the modulus of elasticity, I is the centroidal moment of inertia. And where will be the maximum slope will happen in this case, simply supported beam with a point load at center, it's at its two support, that is A and B. What will be the maximum deflection? Maximum deflection will be at C, that is the midpoint, and the value of it is WL cube by 48 EI. Case number 2. A simply supported beam with W Newton per meter uniformly distributed load or UDL. The maximum value of the slope is WL cube by 24 EI, and it will be at A and B the maximum slope. The maximum deflection will be at the midpoint, that is C, and the value will be 5 WL to the power 4 divided by 384 EI. Case number 3. A cantilever beam with a point load at its free end. Cantilever beam of length L, point load is W, acting at the free end capital B. The value of the maximum slope is at B, and the value is WL square by 2 EI. The value of maximum deflection is WL cube by 3 EI, and it will be also at the free end B. Case number 4. A cantilever beam of length L with UDL of W Newton per meter throughout the span. The maximum slope is WL cube by 6 EI, and it will be at the free end B. The value of the maximum deflection is WL to the power 4 divided by 8 EI, and the value will be at B. So this table you memorize the value, especially the value of the maximum deflection. Now I will discuss about the past year GATE paper. A load of 30 kilonewton is applied vertically downward at the free end of a cantilever of span 5 meter. If the elastic modulus of the cantilever is 30 GPa and the section has a width of 0.3 meter and a depth of 0.6 meter, then the elastic deflection in millimeter is, we have to find it out. Let us see how to solve. To start solving this problem, I would recommend please see my video on basic formulae. Let us start. In this numerical, the length of the cantilever beam, that is L, is given as 5 meter. The point load is given as 30 kilonewton, which is acting at the free end. Value of E, modulus of elasticity, is given as 30 GPa, which is equal to 30 into 10 cube MPa. The area of the cross section is given as 0.3 meter by 0.6 meter. You have to find the elastic deflection in millimeter. Step number 1. First we have to find the moment of inertia of the rectangular cross section, that is 112 BD cube. The value of B is 0.3 meter. D is 0.6 meter. So 112 into 0.3 into 0.6 cube. That comes out to be 5.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Please be cautious at this point because the unit is in meter cube, that you have to convert in millimeter cube. So 5.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 multiplied by 10 raised to 9 millimeter cube, because 1 meter equal to 10 cube millimeter. So 1 meter cube equal to 10 cube, that is 10 to the power 9 meter cube. So this comes out to be finally 5.4 into 10 raised to 6 millimeter cube. So we have found out the moment of inertia. The value of W is equal to 30 kilonewton given. We have converted it into 30 into 10 cube Newton. Length is given as 5 meter, that we have converted in millimeter. So it is 5000 millimeter. Why we are doing all this conversion? Because the value of the modulus of elasticity is given in MPa. MPa means Newton per mm square. So all the units we have to convert either in Newton or in millimeter. Then only the correct answer will come. So now let us see what is the formula. This is the deflection formula for a cantilever beam with a point load at its free end. Please refer the table. It is WL cube by 3EI. So put the value of W, put the value of L. E value already we know and I value already we have calculated. So if you see, the final answer is coming out to be 7716 millimeter. So that's the answer.